What's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. I want to quickly talk about my previous trades for this month, more specifically this part right here. We'll jump into it. So this is for the month of July. I've currently got a -3 return on it, but it's what it is. I mean, previous months you can see 8%, 4%, 4%. I mean, you'll get negative months, you'll get break-even months, and you'll get spectacular months. So it is what it is. So we'll jump through it. So one thing I wanted to note was, so I started off July and I had a break even, and then I hit, excluding these break evens, I hit 8 stops in a row. So if I sum that up right here, so 8 losses. So 8 losses, and I risked 2% in this part here, and then I started risking 1.5% because of leverage and stuff. Um, so this part here, let's see. So I lost 17.8%. You can even see some of these ones here, 2.9% due to slippage and stuff like that. So I'm going to go through some of these trades and then speak a bit about these last two take profits that I hit here. So let's go through this first one. So this is GBP USD. So we've got a quick liquidity sweep here, a very small one in this consolidation area. We have this break of structure to the upsides. We've retraced back and it was pretty impulsive and hit straight through our stop loss. So that's a -1. We've got NZD CAD. This one, again, quick liquidity sweep here, impulsive grab of that previous little minor low here. We had a break of structure to the upside. At first, it only hit these wicks, but as we got a full body closure, I was happy to place my order. And then again, impulsive price action down towards to the downside, and then again hit stop loss. So that's -2R. This one is NZD US dollar, so very similar trade. This consolidation area, liquidity sweep, impulsive grab of that previous liquidity. We have a breaker structure, big fair value gap here, and then this one should have actually been a break even, I assume, yeah. But I hadn't set up my auto break even yet, and I was doing them manually, so this was a stop loss. And you really just can't cheat yourself. I mean, this one should have been a break even, yeah, but in my live journal, it's not, and so I just put down what's in my live journal. That's it. So moving on, got CAD JPY. Again, breaker structure. We can see this is starting to swing from this uptrend down towards a downtrend. We got change of character or breaker structure, whatever. Moving down, body closure here in this breaker structure, liquidity sweep, fair value gap here. And then as it retraced, it just ripped through my stop loss. Which, yeah, it was so quick. I think that was a news event, so it really ripped through quick and gave me an even bigger loss, but it is what it is. That's how the game works. Go through the last few ones here. So again, see, a lot of these setups are very similar. Got this breaker structure, a liquidity sweep here from this consolidation area, and also these little areas here. Breaker structures the upside, a bit choppy, but it fits the plan, so I'll take it. Then another loss. Same thing, breaker structure to the downside, liquidity sweep, retraced pretty impulsively. And these all happen within a very short period of time. So like for these ones here, for example, yeah, this is all in one day. This is all in one day, 2 days that this all happened. It just gets like that sometimes. I'll speak about this later with these two actually. But sometimes you're on the losing end more than you are on the other side, but it is what it is. And then finally, our last loss was EuroCAD. This one was a breaker structure, no real liquidity sweep, but with this such bullish momentum, I'm happy to take a trade without that liquidity sweep. Got tapped in and we sort of hit that stop loss pretty quickly again. And then I'll go through these final ones here. So break even. This one was a bit strange because I got tapped in, and I think because of spread, like a very bad spread. This might have been a Monday morning. like that. I'm not sure. Very bad spread. So I just got tapped out of break even. Is what is, but play on. And then our final loss here, GBP AUD. We've got movement, bearish movement here, a big fair value gap here and here as well. And then these swing points break a structure. Then we got hit our stop loss pretty quickly. And then finally we had our final break even. This one was a bit unfortunate, like really nice tap in, hit that break even 0.5 fib level, and then quickly just went back and hit that break even. So in saying that, let's see. So I lost, so from here all the way to these break even points, I lost 17.8% of my portfolio. So that is you might think that's a pretty decent, like a big amount, right? And I mean, it is like we hit -8 losses, like we hit 8 losses in a row. And mentally that might affect some traders, but in reality, you just got to trust your back tested data. You just have to trust your data in general and just know that, look, I got to play out. I got to just keep trading the way I'm trading, keep trading my plan, and that's it. And what do you know? Right after that, I hit 2 take profits, both at over 6%, which gave me like a 12.3% boost. I'm not back to where I was before. So you can see here for the year, I was at 20R, and then I hit back to that 18R. So I was pretty much, she might be, yeah. So I was pretty much back to where I was really. Like I'm only 1 trade away, and then I'm back into my like my equities at an all-time high, or however you want to say it. If I +3 here. So we'll go through these trades here. We've got these are both JPY pairs from memory. Yep. So AUD JPY, bit of consolidation here, but we are slowly moving up into bullish structure. We had that liquidity sweep there, and then an impulsive break to the upside. Price came in, tapped in at my 0.75 level, and then within a day, within a day and a half, we hit that take profit. So that gave me a +6%. And then very similar trade here for NZD JPY. Slowly moving upwards. We get that liquidity here from that resting low. Break a structure to the upside, and then we're almost at this stop loss point. Some people might think, look, like at this point, I remember checking my C trader and the trading view charts, and we were so close to stop loss. Like you could think, yes, should I just stop it out? I could risk I could lose only 0.8R or 0.7R or something, when in reality you just let the trades be. I've just let the trade be. We had very bullish momentum here, and we hit take profit, and I get my 6%. So pretty much from there, for the month of June, I'm still down. Sorry, for the month of July, I'm still down, but there's still a decent amount to go. I haven't been tapped into any trades recently, but I pretty much want to explain, just trust your plan, trust your edge, just let the trades play out, and it's as simple as that. I mean, I can go back and show you some other ones where, excuse the data, I got a different live account with a broker and it's all stuffed up, but we can look here. So during this point here, I was at 12% all the way to this point here. So I was at a -4. So look at all these break evens, stop losses, break evens. I mean, there's like how many trades are there here? 16 trades. There's 16 trades without a winner, and that's like like a full month, 23rd to the 12th. That's 3 weeks with no winner, and you're sort of just sitting there, like just keep playing the trades out. You're not hitting your TP. You're thinking, am I doing something wrong? Am I should I change my trading plan? Should I find a new strategy? This isn't working. I haven't made money in 3 months. And then within last 4 trades, I made 12R. So 12R at 2%, 12R. So it would double, and you'd be at 24% gain. I mean, that's just crazy. 24% just in this month. With double R, just to minus off. Like I did go through a bit of a losing streak here and there after that, but these 4 trades pushed me up by a lot. I'll show you that in my equity curve. I think that's at this point here. I mean, I'm sort of consolidating, like staying around that 9-10% area, and then next minute I'm at 20%. You just got to trust your edge, trust your plan, keep on trading, and just let it be.